In today's video, I will walk you through how to add coins to favorites on Bitfinex. Adding coins to your favorites on Bitfinex is a simple way to keep track of the cryptocurrencies you're most interested in. Instead of searching through the full list of available markets every time, you can quickly access your preferred coins whenever you want to check prices, analyze charts, or prepare for trading. To begin, access the Bitfinex trading interface where the list of supported coins is available. This section allows you to browse all of the cryptocurrencies and markets offered on the platform. If you're looking for a specific coin, use the search bar to enter its name or trading symbol. This makes it much faster to locate the coins you want without scrolling through the entire list. Once you've found the coin you'd like to save, look for the star or favorite icon displayed next to the coin. Select this icon to add the coin to your favorites. After it's selected, the icon will indicate that the market has been successfully marked as one of your favorite coin. You can repeat this process for any additional coins you want to follow. There is no need to limit yourself to just a few coins. Add the coin that match your investment goals or the cryptocurrencies you regularly monitor. After adding your favorite coins, navigate to the star section. This area displays only the coins you've marked, making it much easier to switch between the markets you care about most. It's a good habit to update your favorites regularly. As your trading interests change or new cryptocurrencies catch your attention, you can add new coins and remove older ones to keep your list organized and relevant. And that's how to add coins to favorites on Bitfinex.